Morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today, guys, we're gonna put a wooden knife together. I'm gonna give it my grandson. I'm gonna check it out. This is ages up to 7 years old. He's 6, which he'll be 7 in August. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to him. I'm gonna have him and his dad put it together, but I'm gonna put it together first, see what it's all about. But it's made in America. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Then we're gonna put a battery in this SD Classic here. It's got a flashlight. It might be called something else, but it's like a SD Classic. It's got its scissors. I'm gonna clean it up and oil that too, because it's wanting to hang up. The springs seem like it's in good shape, but it's just, it wants to hang up right there. Then we're gonna just clean it up a little bit. It's sharp. I sharpened it the other day. And we got a flat tip screwdriver and a fingernail file. It's got a long keychain, which I'm going to take that off before I put it somewhere. But we got a battery for it. Then I'm going to go over my 2 absolute favorite knives as of right now. My absolute 2 favorite knives that I carry every day on me right now. So I'll be showing y'all that at the end of the video. So let's change this battery out if we can. What you're supposed to do is stick a little screwdriver through there, push that door open, right? I'm just wondering, I think the negative side goes up. How about that? It blinks red. Well, that's pretty cool. Well, at least we know it works now, right? That's pretty easy. A little red beam right there. That's pretty cool. I like it. Now we're going to get this chain off of here. Alright. Now it's ready to be put on my keychain. I like that flashlight. If y'all know what model this is, let me know. Now we're going to try to address this these scissors here. I'm going to hit it with these scissors. Hit it with this 400 grit sandpaper. Better. Just want to hang up right there. Okay. It's working good now. It's better than what it was. Good to go now. Got a little oil. Good to go. With a little red flashlight. I didn't know it was going to shine red. I've never had one of these that had a flashlight. Now we got to find us a pair of tweezers. Right there. I'm going to send this back into Victorinox. This is a little champ, a mini champ. I need to do that. I got a buck I need to send off, and I got this I need to send off. So this thing is ready to deploy now. How about that? With a little flashlight. Ain't that cool? All right, now let's try to put this thing together. Gives you the steps, see? This JJ's knife kit. It's just a wooden knife kit that really helps kids to learn how knives are put together and teach them the responsibility of a knife, the safety of knives. I don't know if I'm going to give him a real knife when he's 7 or when he turns 8. I already told him 8, but I might surprise him if he does good with this. So, it shouldn't be that hard, y'all. Let's put this thing together now. We're supposed to lay this one down and put the 2 pins just like this toward the front and one in the center. Then we're supposed to stack the springs right here. Okay. Then we gotta place the 2 blades on the right pin, which is that one. Spade blade first. I don't know if that's a sheep foot or spade blade. It might be a sheep foot. I don't know. It just looks weird. All right. Okay. There we go. And that's it. That's pretty cool, ain't it? How about that? See, it ain't real sharp. Ain't real sharp at all. That one's a little sharp, but it'll be fine. It ain't like it's gonna hurt him real bad if he falls on it. But that is a cool little knife. Ain't it cool? Got springs, pins. It just teaches them the body of a knife, and it just shows them how it's supposed to work. Awesome. I'm going to give it to him probably today. JJ's knife kit. Pretty cool. Alright, now guys, we are going to talk about my absolute 2 favorite knives as of right now. Because I always find a knife and I clean it up and I like them. I can't help it. Alright. 2 favorite knives are, as of right now, at this very moment, because it could change at any moment, or I'll show you the first one first. It's my Queen. It's my Queen Barlow that I redid. I just can't get enough of this knife. And I'm going to show you something. There's a blemish right there. You see, that happened at the factory. It missed that hole, I guess, and went down and pressed that, and then it did the right hole. You see that? Ain't that cool? I think this is a one-of-a-kind Queen Barlow now. Awesome. And look at the bone on that. Ain't that bone beautiful? And look at the blades. Even though they're short, it's just a beautiful knife, y'all. Beautiful knife. It's still got great snap. You know, the pin blade is awesome. I mean, it's just beautiful. I just love to reach in my pocket and feel this. According to the stamp on the tang, right there, it was made between 1932 and 1955. This is old, y'all. It couldn't have been made during World War II because it has brass. So it could have been made in late 30s, late 40s, in the 50s. Who knows? But all I know is it's it's older than me. If it was made in 1955, that would make it 68 years old right now. Barlow, Queen Barlow. This is the only one I've ever found. This is the only one I've ever seen, a Queen Barlow this old. I've had several people ask me if they want to sell it, or I'm like, no, I'm keeping this bad boy because I really love this knife. And my other favorite knife, guys, and I love it, is sharp as a razor. It's making me turn the corner on a certain knife brand, and that is the Buck 722 Spitfire. Ain't that a beautiful knife? I mean, the more I use it, it is just has a razor edge. I mean, a razor, samurai sword razor edge. I just love that thumb grip, and it's very comfortable in the hand. This clip does not stick up that far at all, and you can barely feel it, and this handle is wide too, so it feels really good in the hand. It really does. It's got them thumb grooves on there, but I absolutely love this knife. It's light, and it just fits good in your pocket. I just love this knife. I haven't put a lanyard on it yet. I'm gonna wait till I'm gonna carry it for a little while without it. And but it's got aluminum handles. You got 4 positions that you can move this clip around, and it's just a very easy opening knife. You know, them spring assisted knives are great, but they can go off in your pocket. So I really like this. And I've seen some new knives on Smoky Mountain Knife Works, guys. They're at a show out in Las Vegas. It's called the SHOT Show. And it's called Shooting, Hunting, something. I don't know. But they got some cool looking knives coming out. So does Case. Case has introduced some new knives that's coming out next month, and so does Buck. So y'all go check out Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Their show videos that they're putting out the last few days. I just want to thank Mr. Jerry Phillips for sending me a link by email, put me on to them. But great knife here. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I just wanted to share this with y'all. Me changing out the battery and working on that little SD Classic, and me putting this little knife together for my grandson. He's gonna really like this knife. And it's made in America too. It went for like 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll share the link down below if y'all want to order one. But it just gives you something to give your the young kid, your son, your grandson, your daughter, your granddaughter, something to teach them about knives and knife safety, how to put them together, and get them interested in knives when they're young. You know, very cool. And again, guys, these knives are my favorite to carry right now. All-time favorite right now. I could find something tomorrow and it'll be my favorite because I just love knives. But as of right now, this Buck, I believe it's the top along with this one. So, love them. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all have a great day, whatever time it is. I hope the rest of your day is wonderful, and it's one of the best days of your life, and I hope you have another best day of your life tomorrow. So I just want to say, God bless y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in today, and until we meet again, I'll be like a good night. Stay sharp.